Hey there, it's Greggy. Hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna take a look at this famous shirt of Red Bull Leipzig. It's the away shirt of Red Bull and it's in player issue version. Unfortunately, there is absolutely no possibility to get the official player issue. I've searched it on Nike website and also on the Red Bull Leipzig website, and there is none. Only stadium version is available. So if you take if you want this shirt in official version, I guess you have to wait several months, maybe to find it on eBay or such website. I guess marketplace will be maybe the best way to try to find some. Okay, let's have a look at it. So it's simple. If you see this shirt, so the Red Bull in player issue version, you know it's probably a fake. As you can see, the labels, the tags, sorry, are always the same. It's printed on it. You have probably the ADV. Oh, dry fit ADV mentioned. This is not the way for every shirt, but why not? This is made in Thailand, size S. About the logo, so I just had a look about the pattern, the template of the shirt. You know how to say, the red part. If you think it's randomly printed on the shirt, it's not the case. It's the same template for every shirt, and it seems that this one is the good template. This is not the case with the third shirt, which have a false template. This one is the good template, like the official one. So about the logo, in my opinion, it has a really good size, and usually Nike have a tissue logo, and this one it's more like an Adidas logo, you know. It's a plastic rubbish. It's between rubber and plastic, but the finishing is not so bad, not the best, not the worst. Thermo applied. Same about the Nike logo. Thermo applied too. The Red Bull sponsor, which is quite good with the logo club. You have the dry fit ADV mention, which is always on the fake too high from the stitches. Usually the official one should have the mention around this place here, close to the back, to the bottom stitches. So do I really have to explain you that this is not the good position of the official tags? It may happen on an official one. To be honest, I already have some strange issue with official shirt, so it can happen. It can happen. About the inside tags, inside labels, oh, it's close to the official, I guess. You have a little the little tags of Nike with the serial number, which is not the good serial number. And about the back, so unfortunately there is a three quarter plain back to let the enough place for the name and number. But on the bottom you have the same pattern than on. But on the bottom, you have the same pattern that on the front, which, in my opinion, is quite nice. Same for the sleeve, the pattern. Okay. Well, let's try it. So what do I think about this shirt? And to be honest, I prefer this shirt than the Red Bull Leipzig third shirt that I made a video on, just because of the sleeve. It's just simply because of the sleeve. It has a very, very nice cut for me. In my opinion, it has very, very nice cut here, while the third was really too wide for the sleeve. And it's usually an issue with the fake shirts and also with the officials sometimes to have a wide sleeve while you have a tight body. That's it. About the pattern, the template, I like it very, very much. In my opinion, Red Bull Leipzig has a very nice quality shirt this year. And the finishing with the logo, I like it. I prefer this type of logo than a tissue logo. A tissue logo may have some issue when you wash it. This one also can be removed, but hardly removed than the tissue one. About the size, it's a S size. I'm around, no, I'm not around, I'm 180 centimeters and around 79 and 80 kilogram. About the length, it's maybe a bit short, but it arrives half butt. It's correct in my opinion. Otherwise, the principal issue is that I wasn't able to make a real comparative with the official one and this one, and it's a bit pitiful to not be able to find any official one on the internet, even on Nike store or on Red Bull Leipzig store. That's it. So usually most of people who wish to have an official one have to buy the fake one. That's it. Maybe Nike will change it for the next few years, I hope. What a pity. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to have a look at the straw poll about the next shot for my next video. And also do not forget to subscribe. Yes, that's good. It's better for me to have lots of subscribers to be enough to continue to make some video. Don't forget also to like this video and the other one, and it's also good. And let me a commentary if you want. So I wish you a very nice day and see you soon. Ciao, ciao!